Welcome back to Monster Misfits, guys. Today we're going to make a gory barrel topper. So just trace out the top of your barrel with a piece of plywood. You're going to use some great stuff and some skulls from Nightmare Makers. And maybe a hand or two. So follow along, guys, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, what I did is I just traced out the top of the barrel and a little piece of 3/8 plywood. This will just give us something where we can take off and put back on. So we're going to cut this out. Alright guys, our barrel topper foam is dry. Now this is really light, real light. You can move around, you can switch it from barrel to barrel. But now we're going to stain some skulls and stuff around it, then we're going to add some blood. So there you go, guys. There's our Gory barrel topper. Now you can paint the barrel any color you want. I just propose to leave it rusty looking because it looks kind of rusty, crappy up here as well. Now you can take this to any limit you want. You don't have to use skulls. You can use legs and arms and hands and whatever kind of pieces you want. This is just a quick little thing to show you how to do a Gory barrel topper. We appreciate you watching. Don't forget to go over and check out my trio brothers. That's Dave at the Weird Kid Show and Keith at Cobwebs and Candlesticks. Check out their YouTube channels. Make sure you subscribe. All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. See you later.
Keep it creepy.